My name is Joseph Edison, and this is my Unit 8 semester final project. And here is my ID. The environmental justice case I selected to do my project on was the Operation Nemesis on Japanese illegal whale slaughterings in Antarctica's waters. This operation was led starting in 2016. However, Japan had been killing these whales in the southern oceans since 1987. Operation Nemesis included Australia and 7 other countries heading on patrol vessels to intercept Japan from hunting whales in an internationally recognized whale sanction. Japan claims that the killings of these whales is for scientific research. The activists claim that this movement is not even about the numbers in this case. Their rationale is that the movement is more about defending the integrity of the Southern Ocean whale sanction. Many other whale species have already been hunted near extinction, so countries like Australia had to take action. Sea Shepherd sent 2 vessels. The first vessel was named the Steve Irwin, which was led by Captain Lublink, joined together with their new patrol vessel named the Ocean Warrior, which was led by Captain Mayerson, departing on the first week of December in 2016 to intercept the Japanese fleet, which departed about a week or 2 beforehand to go kill whales. Japan had a quota of killing 333 minke whales in the Southern Ocean in 2016. These vessels, following Japan's fleet, had a goal to prevent the inhumane killings of these whales. Before this operation, when no one was intervening, Japan had a quota of killing 935 minke whales, which is almost 3 times the amount from 2016. It only took Japan about 3 months to meet this previous quota before 2016. Sea Shepherd provided proof of illegal whale huntings to the public, which was then taken to Australian federal court, which led to Japan being fined 1 million Australian dollars and lowered their legal quota amount to only 333 minke whales. Due to the operation led in 2016, it took Japan 3 times longer to meet the quota of 333 minks, and it also cost them millions of more dollars than if Sea Shepherd would not have stepped in. Overall, I would say this operation was a success, not only for this specific case of environmental justice of biodiversity conservation, but on a larger scale. This operation was a great first step into the right direction in stopping inhumane killings globally. Even though the environmental case got global attention, no action was taken by government officials, which left the task of protecting these whales entirely on the people. This is just one specific case of inhumane killings of species around the world. However, it happens all the time, all around us. This is what I will leave you with to take away from this case. If any inhumane killings are happening and people in power are turning a blind eye to it, speak up and take action. I have learned from this case that just because a government does not stop inhumane actions from taking place, it does not mean it is right. Luckily, we have organizations not directly connected with the government that assist in tackling these issues. If the members of the Sea Shepherd organization would not have been able to step in, who knows if these whale species that they target would even still be around. Imagine how different the Earth's ecosystems would look if citizens were not able to step in. The only problem people can run into is the funds that are needed to run like the operations and such. According to the official Sea Shepherd website, this operation cost roughly 8,000 euros per day. That number includes all the gas prices, all the equipment costs, and all the costs to maintain the ships. In this case, and in probably many others, the reason that governments are not getting involved is due to these costs of these projects. It's honestly pretty sad to say, but it seems like if we didn't have citizens to take a stand against poaching, many more species would be extinct, because the government really only cares about money and instead of funding their ecosystems.